I'm going to show you guys the magic crack filler. Now this is going to be the set of 3. It's going to be basically 2 pounds of concrete slab for gray. As you can tell here, we had a crack in the driveway and it's kind of going in through the garage and it kind of wears down to a thin little line. So let's see how this stuff really works. It says to go ahead and clean out the crack, make sure that there's no debris. Instructions are very easy to follow. And we're going to go ahead and just pour this in. And as you can tell here, you're just going to kind of want to go over the line, but make sure it fills in evenly so that it's flat. Once you do this step, we're going to go ahead and take a little brush here and make sure that it's completely even. And you can do this either with your hand, you can use a little brush, you can use a broom, but just make sure that the crack is even. Now we're going to take water. We are going to mist it 3 to 4 times. We don't want the water to puddle on top of the concrete, and we don't want it to sit there and stay wet. Just enough to moisten it, and then you're going to let it sit for 24 hours. Don't drive over it, don't do nothing. As you can tell here, yes, the crack is still there, but it seals it up. It closes it in, which I like and I prefer.